Hey, for over 20 years, your Gmail address has remained permanent, right? That just changed. Here's exactly how to change yours and a few things before you do. This isn't some workaround or a new account. It's an official feature. You will get the same inbox. The files that you stored in Google Drive will remain there, and everything would be there. You're just swapping the address on the front. Now, before you do this, there are three things you need to know. First, you can only change it once every 12 months, and that is 3 times a year, 3 times total. You will not be able to change if you have done it 3 times, not 3 times a year, 3 times for the life of the account. So pick very carefully. 2. If you use sign in with Google on other apps or sites, or use Chrome remote desktop, you may need to log back in after the switch. 3. All the stuff like calendar invites won't update itself. They'll still show your old address. Only the new activity would use the new one. All right, I hope you understand all this. Now, here's how to do it. You need to go over to Chrome, and on the top right, you're going to find your Google icon, the Gmail that you've logged in. Then you need to click on this, then go over to manage your Google account. Or you can also directly go over to myaccount.google.com in this URL field, type it in. Then you need to go over to personal info on the left hand side. Then towards the right, you'll find email right here, the fourth field. Press on it. If you are able to change your Google account email, it's going to show up like this. Like you'll be able to select this field right here. It'll have this arrow on the right hand side. So you just need to click on it. It may ask you to verify, so do that. After that, it's going to take you over here. And if you're eligible to change your Google account email, it's going to show up like this. It will have this button right here. If you do not see this, you still don't have access on your Gmail account to change your account email. You just need to wait for a while. Google is going to roll out this feature on your Gmail eventually. So just need to press on this change Google account email button, and then you need to scroll down. Right here, you'll find username field @gmail.com. So I'm going to change it to this right here, this new email, and then press on this change email button. Now, before we change this, just keep in mind the things that I told you before. Your old address doesn't disappear. It becomes a permanent alias. You will still get the emails to your old email address and the new ones. So don't worry about that. So all I'm going to do is press on this change Gmail button, and it's going to say current, new, great. Let's press on this yes, change Gmail. And that is it. Now it says my new Gmail address here. You recently changed your account email, and it says here you can create a new account email only once every 12 months, but you can switch to an alternate email anytime. But they don't say this over here, that you can only do it 3 times ever. But that is true. And if you scroll down, you'll find alternate emails. This is your old one. Now, there's also this option to make this your Google account email. And if you go back to the previous page, this is my new email address now. And if I scroll down in contact email, I got this new email address again. And in alternate emails, I got my old email address right here. This is still going to work, so don't worry about it. No one is going to claim your older email address. It will stay in your account. And yeah, if you do change your mind, you can just go back here to the Google account email, and then you can make this your Google account email again, your alternate email, make this your Google account email again. So yeah, for the first time ever, Google has allowed you to change your Google account email. If you have this option, try it out. If you don't have it, Google is going to roll out this option to your account eventually. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Gmail or other Google related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.